What's going, guys? 307 here. Shane, I got your 2x6 rebuilt. I got a good coat of clear on there, so hopefully it lasts longer for you over there. But let me get the lid on it and we'll get her fired up. Alright, we got the lid back on the 2x6. I didn't figure you needed 4 fans in there for that. Those are all matching Toshiba's. Your HFE gains were low 30 and high 20s, so around 28. So they are still good. We're going to use a 350 built 29. Show you what we're putting in. About a watt dead key, audio, swinging about 30. 5-watt slug in reverse. Pass-through tune, hello. We are running at 14.3. Turn the box on. Audio. Sorry about that, I ran out of room in my phone. Anyway, 5-watt slug, 2x6, and we're using a 350-29 input tune. Audio. A little over a quarter. Output, audio, 307 audio test, so right around 1300. If you're able to run it at 15, I'll turn it up to 15.5. Show you what it's doing. Audio test. So she's running pretty good. I'll get the decals on it and get it boxed up to you. Sorry my phone died and I'll have to splice these two videos together, but we'll get her. Thank you, sir.